I can already feel that today's vlog is going to be all over the place. Haven't really filmed a proper intro. So today we are going to head out to Ascarate, and I'm going to go fishing with Bearded today, see what we catch. Originally we were going to go out in the kayaks, but today is actually a pretty cold day, surprisingly. And tomorrow's supposed to be back up to 80 something. But yeah, we got a nice overcast day today, and we'll see what we can catch. Later on we got practice with the Grave Aesthetics, so maybe we'll bring you guys along for that as well. Other than that, we'll see you guys when we get to the lake.
It looks like a tail.
It is a tail.
Huh?
It is a tail.
I know, but it looks like you're just throwing just the tail.
Who knows, it might work. It might work. There wasn't that much moss.
Huh?
There wasn't that much moss the other day. The water looks different. Don't you think?
Huh?
Don't you think the water looks different? It looks more blue. Doesn't... I guess that's good, but I'm saying, like, from what it used to be before, it's a big difference. There's a duck. That thing's small. It's not swimming away. It's small and it's not swimming away. Maybe if you told it the story of that one duck that you almost killed.
Hey, Doctor, I almost killed a duck.
Is that a fish?
Yep.
And there's fish number one.
Are you filming?
Am I? Yeah, I am.
Oh.
Nice. On the big old swim bait thing. That one's kind of big.
Okay, so for some reason it didn't. For some reason my camera suddenly stopped, but caught one on the live target. That's one. God, that was so hard. Oh my God.
I got one.
You got one?
You see it? Oh.
What was that?
I tried to set it and my drag wasn't set.
Get my first fish on that on the vortex rod too.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you would have used your vortex more.
I do use it, but like I never catch anything on it. I use that thing a lot. Just never had any luck on it.
So Adrian's out here trying to do his MTB slim. So far he's only caught one on that huge crankbait. So yeah, like I said, really just wanted to talk about this rod, the Bass Pro Tourney Special. This one is a 7-foot medium, but it also comes in a 6.6 and smaller sizes. But it has lightweight graphite rod, stainless steel guides, stainless steel inserts, the split grip, and now that I've had chances to use it, I want to say that it's actually a pretty good rod for the price. If you're in the market for just a cheap rod, I'd say check it out. Retails at Bass Pro for $50. On top of the whole being a good reel, is that black and green, matching my lose. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. It's a really good rod, and I say go check it out at Bass Pro.
Supposed to be finding, like, testing the siren.
I don't know.
Well, if we die, it was good fishing one last time with you.
I don't know if I got it, but there was a weird, creepy sound. Kind of sounded like a tornado siren.
I know, that's what it was. Like, that's what I was hearing too. It was like, beep. Or an airstrike.
It sounded like a plane diving, like an old plane.
Did I tell you about the time that I scared the shit out of Sarah?
No.
She was, like, we were dating for probably about 4 or 5 months at the time. And, you don't?
No. Felt like it.
There, like we had been, like we were probably 4 or 5 months into our relationship, and so like she was just, like we had just gotten, I'm not sure if we were just got done eating lunch or breakfast, but like we were sitting on the couch and the TV was off, and she was asleep. Well, I took my phone and I hid it under the pillow, but I played the old airstrike siren, that like the ones that you're hearing right now, and like she looked up and I looked out the window. I was like, "Babe, we gotta go," and she started freaking out. It was the hilarious thing ever.
That's funny. How did putting it under the couch work?
Huh?
How did putting it under the couch?
No, it was under her pillow.
Oh.
Holy shit! What the hell happened here?
What did you do? Let's do this.
I know.
Wait, no, don't stop.
Oh shit! I didn't see that.
Oh, it's worse. Here, hold
What
this.
do you mean it's worse?
Hold this.
Wait, this is all tangled here.
Look.
Oh shit! Thank you. Do you think cutting down a bait that was in the mystery tackle box is cheating?
Well, it's using the same bait.
Yeah, I just cut down, right?
Yeah. This flipper doesn't really have any action.
Huh?
This flipper doesn't really have as much action as I would hope it would have. There's the sound again.
What is this from?
I don't know. I thought I was stuck. I literally thought I was stuck. Dude, that's a nice one.
Not bad.
I literally thought I was stuck.
Stuck in the head. Come on. Not the bad.
That's funny.
You're funny.
It's cold.
Oh, these fish are cold. Dick. What the hell happened? Oh, let's see what the hell happened to my bait. What, did he not hit it hard or what?
No, I didn't even feel it. The only reason I knew that there was a fish is because it started swimming one direction.
What song?
Hey, dude.
What?
There's one right here. It's a bigger one. Hold on. See it?
Where?
It's right there. Alright, so Adrian just caught the fish that we were working right now. Came out about almost a pound. But hey, you know what? At least we caught a fish. Well, I think this is about where I call it. It's already 2:30.
Huh?
It's already 2:30.
What time are you supposed to leave at 2?
I'm supposed to be there by 4. I have something to eat and I need to shower. I'm starving.
What are you gonna go eat?
I don't know.
Well,
So I'm sitting here editing this video, and I didn't really get to film outro for it. As far as the Bass Pro Tourney Special, it's a really good rod if you are just coming up and don't have a lot of money to spend on a rod. It's a really good rod for $50. It's very sensitive, has a nice backbone. I mean, again, that black and green is a really good aesthetic, aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, I mean, the rod is really good, and I say check it out at your Bass Pro or Bass Pro online. Order it, see what you guys think. If you guys do order it, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of our video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.